Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a corkscrew on trampoline. This trick is pretty easy, but it's kind of confusing to learn. Okay, so how I would recommend starting out is just, well, first of all, you need to figure out which leg you're going to go off of and which way you spin, okay? So if you've done a full on the trampoline, whichever way you twist, okay, say you twist right, then you're gonna go off your right leg, okay? So here, and then you're gonna twist right. If you twist left, then you're gonna twist left. Fun fact about me is I twist right on my backs, and I twist left on my corks, so it's weird. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do this, something called a J step, okay? So what you do is, basically it's really easy to just make a J the way you walk. So here, one, there, 1, 2, and then the last one, turning your foot like this and swinging through, okay? So here, 1, 2, and this foot is gonna be the one that you're swinging off of. Boom, and you're kicking with this one, all right? So I twist left, so I'm gonna go off my left foot, okay? So one thing that might help is just twisting onto your back. So here, just going like this, just to get the feel of doing it, because it is kind of confusing at first, okay? So here, and twisting. Once you feel comfortable with that, basically you're just gonna do a full, but it's gonna be off axis, okay? So it's gonna be here, you're gonna do the cork, or you're gonna go off your leg, you're gonna go up with your arms, and then you're gonna drop your shoulder and wrap just like you would a cork, but you're gonna be going off axis. So here, and then you're gonna land like that, okay? The best way to imagine it is you have a string attached to your hand that's attached to your foot, okay? So right hand connected to the right foot and left hand connected to the left foot. What you're gonna do is basically just follow the arm with your leg. So once it's going like this, you're gonna be following it. So here, your arms go boom, and your legs follow. Boom, and all throughout the flip, your legs and your arms are gonna follow, okay? So here, follow, 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 into here, okay? That's the best analogy I can give you, and that should help, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Boom, 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 follow. So when you try it, just go for it. You're not gonna get hurt, you're not that high off the ground, and it's a trampoline, okay? So, here, boom, boom. All right, that's pretty much it. You just wanna swing off this leg, go up, wrap, and kinda just let the trick, like, just let it throw you. It's a motion that feels natural, okay? So here, boom, and it should feel natural. Boom, boom. All right, I'll do a double cork for you guys. That's a tutorial, guys. That's how to do a corkscrew on the trampoline. Thanks for watching.